Today we got a video from Bodycam Stories, and the title of the video is Florida woman arrested less than an hour after jail release. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
In Collier County, Florida, a patrol deputy notices a white Dodge speeding down the road at dangerously high speed. The dash cam captures the moment the deputy turns around and begins pursuit. As the chase continues, the driver loses control, colliding with several vehicles while trying to escape.
Oh, come on now. That's crazy. You caught. Look, everybody getting out the way because they don't want their car hit. Honestly, these cars just need to be pulling over. That's what happens here in New York. The cars, they pull over when the sirens is behind them. Whoa.
And Ventino's a cigar bar just got out.
Where she think she running to? She running slow as a turtle.
Turn around.
I just got out of it.
Okay. Just get in. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over.
I need help.
Yeah, you need a lot of help.
I was just in the jail.
Put your arm back around behind you.
Please help me.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm detoxing. I'm sorry.
Start listening. Shut up and stop listening. And put your hand behind your back. Quit resisting. Put your hands behind your back. You've already hit like 5 people. Yeah, I'm one of them. Stand up. Naples, 3 off 11, 1 in custody.
Your blood, brother? That must be her phone. I don't know.
Yeah. You walking back to my car?
Yeah, my car will do.
So you one that got hit?
Yeah.
Isn't it beautiful how a community rallies together?
10-year trail. Ventino cigar bar. She wrecked in the ditch.
I can't go back.
3 off of 31.
Oh, you going back? You definitely going back.
Put her right here right now.
I don't have
Which car is that?
My son. He's at the hospital. He just went to the hospital.
Yes. He's falling up on the
My
dash.
son's in the hospital right now. I was just there with him. Please. Please listen. Can I tell you what happened?
Well, I know what happened. I said that when you did it.
I got out of jail and we went to the bail fund. My son was taking me.
So far, I think she's hit 3 to 5 people all the way down 41.
I got damage on that vehicle.
Was there anybody in the car with you?
No.
How many people she hit you and who else?
I don't know. I was just waiting at the light. She crashed into the. She pulled in through without the phone.
All right.
Oh, please help me. Please help me.
Did you have anything on you?
Yeah, no.
I got another female deputy
I don't
coming.
have anything on me.
Oh, no, this lady got hit too.
Okay.
I don't have anything on me.
Just stay right here.
I don't have anything.
I didn't get her name or anything. She has her son's car. Okay.
My son just went to the hospital. Okay, he picked me up from.
So is it Bayshore, 41 at Bayshore, and she's not coming right at me. Hits the curb, blows her tire, and just like the whole way down, like swerving all over the place.
Well, her son not gonna like this. His insurance just went up.
Unbelievable. Is it off?
I'm probably gonna have to plug something in the car.
Oh, yeah, see if you can do that. Okay, oh, yeah, we're good. I got plenty of help. You can 22 for us. Are you Janice?
Yeah.
Janice Hill?
Yeah.
193, 311. Where do I need to respond to first? What area?
I want to say it was Palm. I believe a couple of the victims are at my scene at the cigar bar on 41. Huh? She was. No, mine's in my pocket. She crashed. She like took off running.
She ran?
So stop. She said no, and I was like, and she's like stopped, and I guess the guys ran out of here. The other guy ran out of
smoking
here.
here?
She just hit me. The guy in the white truck.
Yeah, she pulled up in front of me.
Because I'm on 41, going to turn left on Bayshore, and she's like, oh, tell them to ride along.
Unbelievable. This is why I say, you know, prison, you know, we talk about a lot of this in the Patreon or whatever, but because we're covering 60 days in, but this incorporates exactly what I'm talking about, where prison doesn't necessarily, prison or jail, whatever you want to call it, the county is jail, and then you go to the state and it's prison, okay? But jail, it doesn't, you know, rehabilitate you. You know, people think that, you know, these people get sent there and they get rehabilitated and come out as a better human. No, okay? They tend to just become a better criminal. You know what I mean? Some do, some don't, right? Obviously, this one, you know, she's not too bright. So she comes out and continues with her criminal activity and, you know, her addiction of getting high or whatever the case may be, whatever it is, because she's definitely not in the right frame of mind. But that's what it really is. It just really needs to be fixed, man. You can't put a bunch of criminals in one area and think that you're gonna rehabilitate somebody. That's not. Oh well, but we got programs and this to help this and that. It's a load of crap. Okay, I'm trying to tell you.
I see her coming, like switching lanes. I was like, oh, and I didn't say nothing. She's coming fast, but right where you're on the far left lane to take the turn, she nailed the curb, and it's like, I thought she's gonna pull over, so I was following it, and all of a sudden she's speeding up. I'll see a smoke, and she's swerving. I was like, uh-oh.
Oh, good stuff.
Look. Just got out.
Yeah, nice. Was that today?
Yeah. And that's her son's car.
It hurt. It's hurting my arm.
Be quiet. That's why you shouldn't run or resist.
What's her name?
It's her son's car. She just totaled it, so.
What's her name? Noah Haley?
No, that's her son. Janice. Yeah, she looks kind of familiar. Yeah,
She just got out. She just came from the bond office.
She's going to NJC, but she's got to do these charges first.
Yeah, get a picture
I'll drop off a big rack.
But so I got the fleeing and eluding, 1, 2, 3, the hit and runs.
Yeah.
Was that it? That's the only thing.
Yeah.
I think there's nobody else called in. I guess I didn't hear nothing. I haven't been listening.
No, I haven't heard any more.
Just the one down there, and then these two.
Okay, that's 3. Okay. It starts as I get. Every one is going to be a charge. So.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you know why now that she's a big rack? Why she goes to jail first?
This is hers. It fell out on her little 2-mile-an-hour run.
I was going to say, did she really run though?
It was really slow through the ditch and got up there to the sidewalk and just sat down.
Did you feel like you were watching The Walking Dead while she was running? Because I feel like that's similar.
I thought she was gonna disappear on me, but she's like, those guys are already running out.
That's
The
why I
guy
was
in the white
laughing.
truck got
Like,
mad
is she
because
running from you? I was like, she's probably really with the speed on her.
yeah, she's a real slow run.
Feel good. She's got lumps on her.
Oh yeah.
According to the Collier County Sheriff's Office, the driver had been released from jail less than an hour before this pursuit began. She now faces multiple charges, including reckless driving, hit and run, and resisting arrest. A sobering reminder that poor choices can erase freedom in an instant. For more real policing.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Now, her son's insurance has gone up. She has dug herself into a deeper hole, but she's going to go back into jail and, you know, detox for whatever, maybe a day, because she probably took something. And then she'll get out and commit more crimes. That's why most criminals are repeat offenders. You know, you go in once, the chances of you going in again is highly likely. Okay. But anyways, yeah, I think the officers did pretty well. They did the best that they could. So I definitely give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.